Are you a hoarder or a collector? What is it about hotels that makes me want to collect things? So hi, I'm Sabrina Myers, and I am an event manager, social media consultant, and event moderator. And I've pretty much spent my entire life in and out of hotels. As you can see, I'm currently in a hotel, and it's the only 5-star luxury hotel in my beautiful home city of Cologne, Germany. And I thought it would be a great kind of sense of place for this spontaneous little video where I kind of explore our fascination, obsession, and I guess to some point, hoarding of things and collecting things whilst we are traveling, especially when we check in and stay at hotels. This is something that I've always wondered if other people do as well. Do you collect things when you travel, specifically when you stay in hotels? I do. So I started traveling when I was really young with my family, and my father was a professor at the local university in Singapore where I was born and raised. And he used to take me and my mum on conferences where he would speak at. And so my first experiences that I can really remember of hotels was pretty much from a very young age traveling with my mum and dad. And I guess you can say it was learned behavior. My mum used to pretty much collect anything that, well, I use the word collect, but let's just say she used to take anything that wasn't nailed down in the hotel room. I even saw an auntie of mine take the iron once. This was many, many, many years ago before hotels got real smart and started charging people for things that they took that they're not supposed to take. So what do I take? Let's talk a little bit about that. I love collecting hotel keys. Now, usually in, your box standard regular hotel, the ones that I usually visit, you've got key cards. And I started collecting hotel keys and hotel key cards since as far back as I can remember. And I must have hundreds of them. At the beginning, it was really just that. It was your box standard key card. It didn't matter what design was on it. I just used to like collecting it. Then I became quite a little bit more specific about the hotel key cards that I collected. If they were the plastic hotel key cards, they had to be pretty. They had to say something really interesting. They had to look nice. What I super duper love are hotels like this one that still use real keys. I just love that they're like real and, they're tangible. And it feels extra luxurious to have like a real key in your hands for a hotel. Unfortunately, you can't take these. But sometimes, if you ask nicely, they might give you one. For the hotel, it's probably really good because it's pretty heavy, so you got to give it back and then collect it back again from the front office. So there's a lower risk of them being stolen or taken, I guess. I also used to collect, and I still do collect, slippers. Hotel slippers. At the beginning, it was just kind of taking any hotel slippers. But then I got picky. So for example, now I'm very picky about the hotel slippers that I take home because A, quite a significant size to fit into hand luggage, which is usually what I travel on. And B, my criteria for hotel slippers now is that they do have to be plush, like these. It helps when they're a little bit monochromed. And if the slippers are a different color altogether, like a black or a gray or a blue or a red, there's a very, very high chance I'll be taking them home. What I've started to see now at some hotels are different sized slippers, like for men and for women, or with people that have bigger feet and smaller feet. I have tiny, tiny, tiny feet. I'm a size 36, which I think is like 3 in some countries. And so when I find a pair of hotel slippers that snugly fit me, oh my goodness, I'm absolutely gonna take them. And I guess one of the other more popular things that people take from hotels are the amenities. There's usually shampoo, conditioner, and then body lotion. This hotel has, shower cap accessories. And, well, every hotel comes with a different range of little amenities. But if you're like me, you collect the amenities. Now, again, before I used to collect basically every kind of amenity and then just bring it back home. But now I've gotten picky. What have I gotten picky about? I've gotten picky about the actual brand of the amenity. Here, this hotel, they've got the white company. That's brilliant. I love their products. But again, I'm quite picky about stuff to do with hair, like shampoo and conditioner and amenities, because usually the brands that they stock as amenities are not shampoo and conditioner brands. 9 times out of 10, I don't tend to take shampoo and conditioner. What I do take is body wash as well as body lotion. And my favorite body lotions or brands of amenities so far that I've experienced would definitely have to be Molten Brown, Aromatherapy Associates, Le Labo for sure. Hotel cards, slippers, and amenities. Those are the things that I usually collect from hotels on my travels. And I guess it's because I like taking little mementos back from my travels, because I come across them at home, I give them to guests who visit. This is just a little keepsake of the time that you spent in another place, in another land. And bonus if it was a luxury hotel that you simply can't get out of your head. There are some interesting things that I have taken from hotels that I guess sometimes people don't normally take. I've taken the pencil and pad. I may have taken bathrobes. Since we're on that side of things, I may have taken towels and linens. Sometimes I take stuff from the minibar, not the drinks or anything, but if you're in a different country and the glasses are different, like the beer glasses or the wine glasses are the kind of cool, I may have taken. And yes, I may have taken the coffee capsules. And the tea packets. I think we're all guilty of this one. I've taken the pens. Some hotels have the most amazing pens. I want to say my favorite pens are, until right now, not playing favorites, but the Mandarin Oriental hotels each have different colored pens per hotel, but they are beautiful, beautiful pens. Raffles Hotel in Singapore has beautiful pens. If, like me, you collect things from your travels and take things from hotels, then do let me know in the comments, what is it that you take? What have been some of your favorite mementos? And maybe, what's been the most unusual thing that you've ever taken from a hotel? And a very, very special thank you to the Excelsior Hotel Ernst in Cologne for letting me film this vlog in one of their most beautiful bedrooms. And if you are ever in the beautiful city of Cologne, Germany, and you're looking for a beautiful hotel to stay in, as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. It has everything you need, and it really is super luxury. So thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed my spontaneous movie about if I'm a hoarder or a collector with my strange article and item collecting habit whenever I visit hotels when I travel. So I guess you can say that I started off as a hoarder, and over the years I've refined my collecting skills at the various hotels I go to, and I am now a finer collector. So if you've liked this vlog and you look forward to seeing more of them, then I hope that you will like it, you'll subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to making more of these kind of fun vlogs. Take care, everyone. Bye. Checking out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Sabrina Myers. Catch you at the next one.